Hey there, my friends. The real estate market is changing. Is this the crash of 2024 that everyone's been talking about? Or is it the seasonality in the market? Could it be the NAR settlement? Or is it just overall inflation? I'm Troy Sage, local realtor. I'm dedicated to doing real estate differently, and I've been helping people just like you for over 15 years buy and sell real estate. In this video, I'm going to discuss 3 markets in North Dallas, Texas, and show you the trend and what's going on locally. So let's dig in and let's look at these markets so you can decide what's best for you, your family, and your money. So what's going on in Frisco, Texas? Currently, the median list price is $754,786, with the median price of new listings being $774,000. Average price per square foot is $251, with average days on market being 62, median days on market being 42, with 58% of the inventory having price decreased, 2% having price increased, relisted is 10%, inventory is 649 homes with a median rent of $3,163. What I find interesting is that the median price of brand new listings is higher than the median price of overall listings. So does that mean that sellers are looking for more money than what the property is actually worth right now? Or are we getting bigger and more expensive homes on the market? Let's take a look. Let's start at the bottom of our graph. You can see that the $490,000 median price of the lower priced homes, there are 16 new listings. And as we go up in price, we do have an increase of number of listings up till the $1.4 million homes. So yes, we are seeing a few more homes in the $1 million plus range hit the market, which is pushing the numbers up a little bit. But I want to show you something else that's very, very interesting about the trend in Frisco. According to Eltos research, our 90-day average and our 7-day averages are starting to trend in line with each other. But if you go back to January, they were way off by quite a bit. The good news is prices are up from January of this year, and we're leveling off with the 90-day trend, which is a good thing. The bad news is if anyone bought last year in July, they have about a 3% negative equity in the median price range. So that's not real comfortable for somebody that bought last year. Now, is that a crash? Well, some say it is and some say it isn't. So I'd like to know your opinion. Leave me a comment below and let me know. Do you feel this is a crash, or do you feel there's a crash coming? Or do you think that this is just normal and it's going to go back up? Now let's move on to another happening area of North Dallas, Texas. What's going on in Prosper, Texas when it comes to real estate? The median list price is currently $911,575, with the median price of new listings being $1 million. Price per square foot is averaging $262, with average days on market being 74 and median days on market being 49. Price decrease is 57%, price increase is 5%, real estate is 9%, and inventory is 405 homes, with the median rent being $3,300 a month. So Prosper, Texas is a lot like the rest of North Dallas, Texas, where we're seeing new listings being priced higher than the median list price. And is that because more expensive homes are hitting the market, or are sellers just pricing way too high? Let's look at the stats. According to Eltos research, there's only 6 new listings for the lower priced homes, but this is what's really interesting. Above $1 million, we have 10 new listings. So that is an imbalance when it comes to homes hitting the market. So yes, in Prosper, Texas, we are seeing more $1 million plus homes hit the market, which is pushing up the median price of new listings. But what's really happening with the 90-day trend and the 7-day trend? According to Eltos research, the 90-day average and the 7-day average have been riding together ever since last year. But if you'll notice, as of last year, the 7-day average was $859.9, and today it's $911,575. Again, this has a lot to do with much bigger homes and estates being listed for sale at this time of the year compared to last year this time of the year. But what's going on with the Market Action Index? Currently, the Market Action Index is at a 30, which is 1 point less than last month when it was a 31, and inventory has increased to 405 homes. So this is a slight seller's advantage, which just means that there's a lot of people wanting to purchase homes in this area, and the seller has a little advantage when it comes to negotiating. It doesn't mean sellers are giving their home away, but it also doesn't mean they're going to get more than appraised value most of the time. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Prosper, Texas, it is so important to know what's going on from neighborhood to neighborhood. With that being said, if you have a specific property or specific area you'd like me to run a report, leave a comment below or reach out to me direct. I'll be happy to customize something directly for you. Now let's check out one of the more popular areas of the path of progress, a little bit north of Prosper, Texas. What's going on in Celina, Texas when it comes to real estate? Currently, the median list price is $652,400, with the median price of new listings being $674,240. Price per square foot is averaging $231, with average days on market being 76, median days on market being 56. Price decrease is 51%, price increase is 10%, and relisted is 8%. Inventory is 319 homes, with the median rent being $2,850. So you can see you get a little bigger bang for your buck being in Celina, as it's just north of Prosper and a little bit further away from downtown. But let's take a look at what homes are currently being listed and hitting the market now. Is it the low end, or is it the high end homes, or is it right in the middle? As you can see, according to our data from Altos Research, it's pretty even across the board. 5 new listings in the $1 million plus range, 8 listings in the 721 range, 6 listings and 5 listings at the lower range. So we're not seeing a big uptick in the $1 million plus properties, but how is this trending from the last 90 days and the current 7 days? Let's check out those numbers. According to our information from Altos Research, you'll see that this is trending right along with the past 90 days. As a matter of fact, it's been staying very steady since January of 2023. Even though Celina is the path of progress with a lot of new construction and a lot of people moving there, it is staying very steady in regards to pricing in the actual market. But let's look at the Market Action Index. The Market Action Index is currently a 33, which is 1 point less than last month when it was a 34, and inventory has decreased to only 319 homes. Celina, Texas is falling in line with the trends of North Dallas, Texas. And if you're not familiar with this area, understand that there's 12 people an hour moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and a lot are moving to North Dallas, Texas. So if you're a buyer or a seller, it's extremely important for you to know exactly what's going on in the specific area that you're thinking about buying or selling. If you'd like me to run a custom report for you, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me direct. And if you want the most accurate information on everything real estate in North Dallas, Texas, click subscribe and check out a few more of my other videos.